Yeah. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Part of the bridge is low. That part of the bridge over there is high. It curves up. These trees look like cedar trees or something. Hey, we way up here. I know you don't want to see it, but we about yeah.
I just did the going over there and I'm freaking out.
Yeah, we way up here. See how far down that is? Well, good thing I mean it's traffic.
Yeah.
It only can slow you down, though, right? That's a trip. We came from way up there. That's where we came from. Right up there, coming down in the S circle. We got down to about right here. Of course, we're gonna tell the kids where we're going. They'll be bugging. What's up, Zay? Zayda? You good? You good?
Yeah, I like they're tired.
No, but they spoke. How you feeling? You good? I'm great. Look at the Christmas trees, eh? Look at the Christmas trees. Christmas is right around the corner, get them. Huh? No. But they're getting them ready. Look.
Look at those little tiny ones. They don't.
I want one of those.
Right now, they actually own Charlie Brown's, huh? We almost there. We got another 11 minutes. We're now. The scenery out here is just nice, huh? Kind of look like Mirror Woods, huh?
Yeah.
It's the same coastline, that's why. Same coastline as Mirror Woods. We actually riding towards the coast. Okay, make up your mind. You got Christmas, and then you got pumpkins going on over here. That's Nemo's farm. That's crazy, huh? They just rush all these holidays on us, huh?
Well, they're growing the Christmas trees for them to be big enough for.
Yeah, but over here you got little baby pumpkins. But in the real major cities, it equals up to spending the money. Look at those greenhouses over there. Yeah, little shops. Cherries up there. Fruit trees. They're getting the Christmas trees together for Christmas. They're growing them. Guys, look, they even got the little stuff over there. See the Christmas stuff? And feeling a lot cooler. We went from 95 to 78. And it was 74 on the bridge. What, a baby Christmas tree?
Yeah.
What? A Charlie Brown? You want a Charlie Brown? A Charlie Brizzle?
Yeah.
Not a Chris Brown, a Charlie Brown, right? Got her. Oh, man. It ain't even actually that far of a ride from the house. All this is within driving distance from the house. It's like, what, an hour away? An hour drive?
About an hour with traffic.
Yeah, and then if it ain't no traffic, you get out here probably 45 minutes if you strike it. It ain't got no traffic. But where are you going? I don't know, just watch the video, then you'll see. Yeah, Pacific Ocean. And there's people in there too. It's too cold though. If you talking about cold water, what I was talking about in Hawaii, that water is warm compared to this water. This water up here is cold. Even in LA and probably Southern California got probably warmer water than we got up here. But it's good to be around the water and, you know what I'm saying, when it's hot, stuff like that. That's cool. Some people like to be in it. I'll pass. Hard pass with me. They're doing over there skateboarding. See the fog over there on a hill, way over there?
Yeah.
Look at that house, Nari. Over there. That one right there. You like that one? Oh, look at that blue one right there. That's fat, huh?
Yeah, hella big. Beach house hotel.
Beach House Hotel? Nice. You gotta look that up.
Yeah.
Check that out, man. Sam's Chowder House. Oh, she like chowder. I'm not big on chowder though. I do that when we go get chowder, we go to San Francisco, we want to get chowder. I usually get a chili bowl.
Lamb chowder.
Yeah, with the bread.
You like the chowder too? Zeta would do the chili too.
Huh?
She'll do the chili bowl.
Yeah. Yeah, she probably would do the chili just like me instead of the clam chowder. But you don't never even do the red clam chowder. Do you ever do that? What they call that? The Manhattan.
The potato.
They got the Manhattan.
No, tomato.
And then the New England. New England is the white. The red is the Manhattan. And that's the tomato base is the red, I guess. And she don't do that often. Oh, look, they got a barbecue joint right there. Beachwater Barbecue. Smoked meat market. I wonder if they're any good, but I'm so barbecued out right now. Today we might get chicken. What you think?
Some chicken wings.
Chicken wings? Maybe some chicken wings or something. We'll see.
And they go fast.
Oh yeah, I know. Look, it's now 6. You can't even see it. 64. But in reality, back where we just came from, it ain't even nowhere near this cool. It was high 80s, and the atmosphere changed. Look up there, can't even see no sun. But this is why I came this way. Look, nice neighborhoods.
60 feel like. You still get it.
All them houses on the hills, they on the hills and they get the coast view. They still building one. There's another one. See it right there? They build it. This is Highway 1. Right along the coast, California coast, you got Highway 1. Pretty scenic. You can see all kinds of different nature stuff. and burnt up, or came out here enjoying some cool air.
Chilly.
Yeah, be chilling just for a while. This is control air. Do you remember having come through a tunnel when we used to come back here back in the days?
That Taco Bell looks very different.
It looks different because that's the only Taco Bell over here on this coast that's like that. It's Taco Bell Cantina. They got another one in Las Vegas that they built, just built not too long ago, but it ain't on the coast and on the water like ours. All right, let's go. We're gonna make this fast. Let's see what we can see.
Stop!
I don't think we can get in.
That was me. I stepped on the board earlier.
Right.
It feel a lot better on this side than where we came from. I tell you that.
That'd be hot.
So I can get my whole
That'd be hot.
Just a little bit clean. Just a lot of it dirty, so now we're a little bit clean.
You wanna go over to the beach or you wanna go in here first? Huh? Go to the beach? Come on. So you just, that's the setup again. Feel good out here. It's a lot of people out here. There's hella people out here right now. Watch the rocks. Watch the rocks. Yeah, this is the place to be. This is the place to be for sure. Especially in this weather. Hold on, babe. Look at that right there. You can actually smell the salt from the water. Zayda, come here real quick. You wanna go get a taco from Taco Bell?
taco!
You wanna go get a taco from Taco Bell? You ready? Come on. We're gonna go over here and see. Look at that. Look how deep. Zayda, look how deep they dug this hole right here. I don't know, but it's deep though. There's a lot of people out here on this beach. But it's hella foggy though. Temperature wise, it feels great to me. Come on, Zayda. You know you're gonna have to go hit her. Man, I love the sound of the waves. Cool. Wanna come have a seat with me, bro? Or you about to go over there? You better sit on one of these things right here. Yeah, we just chilling. Came out here to dodge the sun, dodge the heat. For at least this good Labor Day. Look, she already got wet. Look. Dang, you can't even see the hill over there no more. At first, you could see it when we first got here. Look, look. You can't even see nothing over here no more. That's because the fog come rolling in over here. Something crazy. It's hella cold, huh? Way too cold, huh? Yeah, that's... Hey, don't be leaving her out there. Come on. Got it?
Yeah.
You can rinse your feet over here. They got a feet rinsing spot right there.
Where?
Most definitely. Right there, if you want to. I don't want you really to wait, though. You want to wait and go rinse your feet off?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Whoa. Zayda, come on. I think here, go step on the grass over there.
Right. I see that.
My feet dirty.
I'm trying.
There's a line, of course.
Yeah.
Right there. It's a long ass line,
Hold on,
actually. Slow roasted chicken? That look good.
I'm getting it.
Oh, you tapped that one?
Yeah.
Zayda,
What do you want?
what do you want? They got, I don't know. They got tacos, cheesy fiesta, potatoes, soft tacos, nachos. We'll go back to that's the patina man.
What do you want, Zay? Two tacos?
Dinar, you have anything in mind?
Tacos, Zayda?
What's your taco?
One or two? Do you want the free?
2.
No lettuce, no. You want cheese? None? Okay. Two. And then what about you, Denari? That one was good. No, I don't want no avocado wine. Okay.
This is the part where they got the alcohol in it. What kind you want? They got
Pina colada. Or watermelon twist. What are the mango free? I think I want this one.
Let's go with that.
What about for me?
So say this, guys, if y'all expect to come get some type of tacos or whatever, order off the Katina list or whatever, expect to wait for a little bit, even for a taco. You know, so expect to wait for a little bit. It's gonna take a little bit of time.
Are you serious?
hella people out here right now. To be honest with you though, our beaches be looking scandalous compared to Hawaii, San Diego, places like that. Even LA got some type of decent beaches. Some of our beaches is decent. You gotta go down to Santa Cruz and stuff like that, but our beaches be looking scandalous. Like, look at the rocks down here. But people don't even care, you know what I'm saying? When it's hot, people coming out. And then they got all these people over here eating and stuff, enjoying their time. I'm just waiting for my taco. Gotta have a taco. I ain't come all the way out here to not have no taco from Taco Bell. I love that mountain right there. I love how the fog roll over the mountain right there. I know them houses over there. Imagine the price range of them type of houses. We talking about $1 million houses. But back in the days, I mean, you wasn't getting no house for that price. Not around here. You know what I mean? I say 600,000-700,000. Now, you can best believe over $1 million. Easy. Right here on the Pacific coast. Oh yeah, West Coast always. But yeah. Man, I'm about to go see if these tacos ready, man. Cheers. This is pretty good. What is this?
That's the peach.
Oh yeah.
What's that? Peach drink? Oh yeah. Okay, guys. This one is spiked. That one is a regular. It's good. I love me some Taco Bell.
Okay.
Oh, what you saying? You want a small puppy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like bigger dogs. See, it's warmer out here, no?
Yeah.
It ain't as cold as it was just when we was, because I mean, we're right here, but it's warmer over here.
Yeah, because they got an air conditioning inside.
Yeah, I know that air is kind of cold, but I ain't gonna lie, be thankful that we out here, because where we just came from is hot. You can go sit in the car right there, dog. I'm gonna be standing right here, drinking on this slushy, spiked slushy. Hold on, I gotta get close to the car. Go ahead. Look, I'm gonna tell you a story about when I used to come out here. One time, me and her had came out here. It was me, her, my cousin Joe, and his fiance or whatever. And we used to come out here back in the days, and used to come out here chill on the beach. But I remember one time we was chilling on the beach, and it got dark. It was after hours and stuff. And the police pulled up, and they was like, "Hey, it's after hours, you know, you guys can't be here." I mean, we was a lot younger here. I'm like, all right. And then, you know what I'm saying, we get ready to bounce. Police left, but we didn't leave. We stayed a little longer, but it was actually a cool experience to be here on the beach at nighttime after hours and stuff like that. Listen to the rays. A lot of y'all didn't get to do stuff like that, but hey, we were doing stuff like that back in the days. You know what I'm saying, on the beach, chilling, bonfires. I remember, you know what I'm saying, class of 98, we came out here. A lot of y'all, I know y'all remember. We came out here at Pacifica, Halfmoon Bay and stuff around here, and we had bonfires, and we was mobbing. It was fun. But yeah. He over here giving people $45 tickets. He just said, he just told them over there. It's like, you can park here, but it's a $45 ticket. Some people be willing to take the hit. They don't even be tripping because it is pretty packed up here. I used to come up here back in the days, and it was never like this packed. You know, look at the parking lot. And this is just for the cantina, Taco Bell cantina. Look at the parking lot. Look. All the way over here. And then people parking across the street over there. Safeway, Panda, across the street. But what we usually do, we usually just stalk the parking out. Circle the block a couple times. See people walking to their car. Ask them if they moving. People like that. And then get to park. And here we right in front. Literally, the beach is right there. The water right there. The cantina right there. The water right there. I would show y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to take y'all in there and show y'all exactly the balcony part where you're overlooking the water and all that. The hoopla and all that. But, you know, it is what it is. But, yeah. Might not look much to y'all right now. Like, oh, look at the weather. Look at the sun. Right there. But it feels good out here. Tell you. Okay, the tacos arrived. If you ain't seen a taco, I guess y'all been under a rock. That's a regular taco from Taco Bell, but it's from the cantina menu. And I got the chalupa.
Hello.
You ate your taco?
Yes.
Here. Here. Back with our taco.
Tacos.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
We just put this stuff in there. All right, guys, we got tacos with cheese. I got it. Pretty good.
Oh, I'm like, where's mine? Yeah, that one's yours.
Why is it sticky?
I don't know.
I want it.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
You know, I could record this type of stuff and just listen to the waves before I go to sleep. Up. Can't do that. Yeah, this a whole nother ball game now. A whole lot of people come out here now. Back in the days, it wasn't even half as many people used to come out here. I think people be building these.
Yeah.
It didn't get me. I'm good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I got out of there. They wasn't about to get me. Zeta, make sure you stay close over here. You be scaring me sometimes. You make me nervous. Yeah, I'll just stay over here. Even though I'm a Pisces, I love water. I'll just stay over here where I can just look at it. See? Come all the way up to about here. Then I'm good. I could listen to the ocean all day. That's a nice dog. Y'all hear the ocean sounds? All right, about 5 more minutes, babe. 5 more minutes. Damn, that's crazy, man. Huh? We'll go over here. Yeah, I can't step in that. That's gonna mess up my shoes all the way.
Right here? Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
It kind of feels good.
What that say, Zeta? 2025? Well, I think it was 2000 and maybe 5 when me and your mom was up here. Oh, 2005, huh? Before the kids. We had no kids when we came here. It's all fogged out over there. All that. That's all fog. You keep going further down that way. China. Zeta! Zeta, never turn your back on the ocean, sweetie. Turn around.
The water.
Yeah, she do. That's the water girl right there. She be doing TikTok too. She about to get wet. Look. Yeah, mine damn near is too. Look, came all the way to here. The later it get, the more the waves gonna come up higher. She act like she in Hawaii or something. You know what I'm saying? In here, look at this, man. That's a crab. Y'all see that? That's a crab. That's a sea creature. Look. You want crab in there? Ugh. Look at that.
Nasty. It's right here.
Uh-oh.
Look at this, man. What do you call these little?
Let me see. What is that?
I see them here all the time. I don't know what they're called.
Oh, look at these rocks. Should get some rocks from my fish pond at home.
Got one
You got one already?
in my pocket, yeah.
We got a fish pond at home. A couple of y'all probably already see that we did a short on that. And yeah, we got a nice fish pond. Maybe I'll show y'all another time. Huh? Oh yeah, that's nice.
And then it has the marble on the back.
The marble on there? Yeah, that's a keeper. Come on, Zay. Come on, sweetie, let's go.
They're walking that way.
Have a couple more minutes.
No, we're about to walk this way. You can stay in the water, but we're about to start walking back this way. I'm about to go on these rocks right here, though. I ain't getting my shoes wet. Skip all that. Hey, they hard. Look, they like we doing this on the rocks, right on the water. Watch her, cause she's very adventurous and. That girl's adventurous and she makes me nervous. That's a nice one. You can keep that one too. Man, this was a good breakaway from the heat. So that means when we get back, it shouldn't be, it won't, I don't think it'll be that warm. When we get back, it'll be good 75, probably in the 70s or whatever. And that'll be a little bit more durable. Look at the two dogs. Come on, Zay. The dog even having fun. That's a lab. That's a Labrador retriever. Zeta, we about to cut up. Zeta, get her, please. Please, please. We're about to cut up this way. It's a lot more crowded. Everybody want to be right in front of Taco Bell. Oh yeah, we gotta go get our stuff first, right? seaweed. That look weird. I ain't gonna lie, that look a little bit weird. Say that. Say hi. Say hi. Nah, you gotta hurry up. You gotta do it over here. What you're trying to do is try to get fully wet. And I don't want you to get fully wet. That's all she wants to do. That's all she wants to do. Come on, Zeta. She's gonna literally have to get pulled out the water. She would not get out the water. We have to literally pull her out the water. It got red. I see white. Oh, the white and the black.
Yeah.
You want to go rush off your feet?
You where's your chancla? I'm gonna wear my
Look how dirty her feet is. Is it cold?
Yeah. It's not as cold as that.
All right, your turn, Zeta. Take your shoe off.
Take it off.
Now, yeah, put that one on and then put the other one on. Don't step back in the sand again.
Where's it off?